Welcome to ForexToolShop, the #1 Forex robot reviews and ratings site on the internet.
The Godfather is an EA that has been doing pretty well on the ForexToolShop reviews page. We've been running it about 2 months and it's up about 5.5%. Go ahead here and take a look at the system. There's no pattern in the trading activity as far as a certain time frame trades are opened or a certain length in time trades are held. It does trade not very often, but when it does, it pursues very high profit targets. It has a 300 pip take profit, and so it will go after profits of, depending on your lot size, $300 to, if you're trading standard lots, $3,000. So the system does have a pretty good backtest. We'll go ahead and take a look at it here. 2009 backtest, bodes well for the system. You can see it uses some risk management here by varying its lot size. Some of the things we know about the system is that it uses a custom indicator called the VROC, which, just speculating, could mean variable rate of change or variable rate of climb. As we can see in the backtest, the lot size does vary, and it only makes about, let's go ahead and look at the chart up here. For 2009, it placed about 45 trades. So you're looking at less than a trade a week. We've been running it about 2 months. We've seen 3 to 4 trades. So that confirms that rate of trade. If we look at a back test of the system, and what we did here was we just ran a back test of the required Godfather settings, pound US dollar every tick for a year, H1, and we clicked open chart. We can see in the pop-up here, in the chart up here, that the system does use its VROC, and it also uses 2 moving averages of 25 and 57. So we can go down here, and it looks like, let's look at exactly when it trades. And this is a buy, I'm presuming. The buy, there might be a crossover involved in the buy in having a VROC. Again, we don't know exactly what this is of a certain level. If we scroll through, we might have to scroll a while to find another trade. You can see that it's, let's see, another buy here. This one doesn't pan out too well. But again, it's right when it crosses over. But it would seem that that's a bearish cross, 25 crossing below 57. But it does certainly buy it right here with, again, a low VROC. Let's mark this VROC level, because it looks like this 0 line could have something to do with it. So right now our hypothesis would be that this trades in a downward cross. Again, 57. Yeah, that'd be 25 crossing below 57. Kind of strange, but I guess it works for this system. And if we go and we'll look for other trades here, and yeah, it certainly does look like this buys on the opposite crossover with the VRC below our level. So we can go through all the trades and we can look at this. This one's a sell. Look at that, across VROC low. We got this thing pretty well pinned here. Again, I would have to look up details of exactly what is entailed in this VROC, but yeah, it would seem like an inverse cross with a VROC screen, pretty much. But yeah, we could go through these trades all day, and I mean, you could do a back test of farther out to confirm this, but it's pretty straightforward. You could certainly back test for 3 years, go through all the trades and do this, and I mean, this would just give you a much more comfortable understanding of when this trade is going to trade. And since it's an hour chart, you can probably just check on your chart every now and then, so you don't have to leave your computer running. And if it's getting ready and a trade's being set up, you could turn on the Godfather EA. Again, you would have to somehow track down this VROC. I'm sure a standard Google search could help us with that. But that's some interesting information about the Godfather system.